Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're taking a fascinating journey through the historical background of American wooden art. From the early indigenous craftsmanship that celebrated nature to the intricate designs of colonial furniture, wood has played a pivotal role in American culture and artistry. We'll explore various styles, techniques, and significant movements that have shaped the landscape of wooden art throughout history. So, grab a seat and join us as we uncover the rich heritage and evolution of wooden art in America. Here's an overview of the historical background of American wooden art, highlighting key ideas and themes throughout its evolution. 1. Indigenous craftsmanship. Early techniques. Native American tribes crafted wood into tools, totems, and ceremonial objects, using local materials and traditional methods. Cultural significance. Wood carvings often held spiritual meaning, reflecting the tribe's connection to nature and their beliefs. 2. Colonial furniture. Influence of European styles. Early American settlers brought European woodworking techniques, leading to the creation of colonial furniture characterized by simplicity and functionality. Materials and craftsmanship. Locally sourced woods, such as oak and pine, were used to construct tables, chairs, and chests, often featuring hand-carved details. 3. Shaker furniture. Minimalist design. The Shaker community, known for their minimalist aesthetic, produced functional wooden furniture that emphasized craftsmanship and simplicity. Innovative techniques. They developed joinery methods that allowed for sturdy construction without the use of nails, showcasing their ingenuity. 4. American arts and crafts movement. Response to industrialization. In the late 19th century, this movement embraced handcrafted wooden art as a reaction against mass-produced items, natural forms and materials. Artists emphasized the beauty of natural wood, often incorporating organic shapes and finishes into their work. Folk art traditions. Regional variations. Folk art emerged from local traditions, with wooden carvings and decorations reflecting the cultural heritage of different American regions. Themes and symbols. Common motifs included animals, plants, and everyday life, often painted in vibrant colors. 6. Contemporary wooden art. Modern techniques. Today, artists blend traditional woodworking with contemporary design, exploring new forms and methods, such as laser cutting and mixed media. Sustainable practices. There is a growing emphasis on sustainability, with artists using reclaimed wood and eco-friendly practices to minimize environmental impact. 7. Sculpture and installation art. Innovative expressions. Contemporary artists create large-scale wooden sculptures and installations that challenge traditional notions of wood as a medium. Interactive and conceptual works. Many modern pieces invite viewer interaction, blurring the lines between art and functionality. 8. Cultural heritage preservation, restoration and education. Efforts to preserve historical wooden art and furniture have gained momentum, with museums and artisans working to educate the public about these traditions. Workshops and community events. Many communities host workshops that teach traditional woodworking skills, ensuring that these crafts are passed down to future generations. Conclusion. The historical background of American wooden art is rich and diverse, reflecting the country's cultural evolution and the artistry of its people. From indigenous craftsmanship to contemporary innovations, wood has been a vital medium for expressing identity, tradition, and creativity throughout American history. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of the historical background of American wooden art. We hope you gained a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship and cultural significance behind these beautiful creations. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into art and history. Remember, every piece of wooden art has a story to tell. Let's keep sharing and celebrating them together. Until next time.